Namaskar, you're watching Times Now Live. I'm Swati Joshi. On the top, we have a controversial remark by Sambit Patra, which has led to a massive political face-off between the opposition and the BJP. Now, Sambit Patra's statement on Lord Jagannath has triggered a political storm. While addressing media after Modi's roadshow, BJP's Puri candidate Sambit Patra stoked controversy when he said even Lord Jagannath is Prime Minister Modi's Bhakt. Now, this gave ammo for the INDI leaders to attack BJP, who demanded that PM should apologize now. It can also be noted that this issue may have given a strong weapon for the Biju Janata Dal as well to take on BJP, which has been hammering them amid polls. Let's give you a recap of how this controversy transpired. First, Sambit Patra, while giving a bite to media, while speaking to media, said even Lord Jagannath is Prime Minister Modi's Bhakt. When this remark snowballed into a controversy, he also issued an apology, claiming it was a slip of tongue. Listen in.
मोदी को देखा लक्षाधि लोक आसछंती मोदी भक्त जगन्नाथ आमे सब हूँ मोदी परिवारजन ये जो अद्भुत दृश्य मु तो मोर इमोशन कंट्रोल कर पारुनी मत लगुच ये सब ओडिया आज गोटे बहुत विशेष दिन।
लगभग मुझे लगता है 15-16 मीडिया चैनलों में मैंने बाइट दी और हर जगह मैंने यही बताया कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी के बहुत बड़े भक्त हैं। शेष में जब एक चैनल ने बाइट लिया, बहुत भीड़ थी उस समय, बहुत धूप भी थी, गर्मी भी थी, बहुत शोरगुल भी था। अनजाने में बाइट देते समय मैंने उसका उल्टा कह दिया कि मोदी जी के भक्त महाप्रभु हैं। अनजाने में हुए एक स्लिप ऑफ टंग के लिए भी मुझे महाप्रभु जी से क्षमा याचना करनी चाहिए और मैंने निर्णय लिया है कि मैं उसके लिए उपवास भी करूंगा।
So you heard the actual statement and the apology coming in as well. We have Pranesh and Ankit. Pranesh, opposition not ready to back off just as yet.
You know, it's interesting the kind of outrage we've seen from those the opposition rank and file, leaders of India Alliance. They are going after Sambit Patra for the comment that we just played out. But you see, it can happen to the best of people. If you mess up saying something, and in this case Dr. Patra would have us believe that this was a slip of tongue. He's apologized. He's now saying that I am fasting for the next 3 days to atone for it. The problem is the hypocrisy. And Ankit, our colleague, has some of the tweets in which India Alliance leaders are outraging about Sambit Patra. But remember, Swati, these are the same people who've not spoken a word condemning or slamming those who went after Sanatan. So let's first sample the outrage and then we'll bring out what was said by these leaders or leaders of India Alliance partners.
Off with a non-India member. This is Naveen Patnaik, Chief Minister of Odisha, who is notoriously reticent. He's infamously reticent. He doesn't always speak. But here he took it up. He says Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath is the Lord of the universe. Calling Mahaprabhu a bhakt of another human being is an insult to the Lord. This has hurt the sentiments and demeaned the faith of crores of Jagannath bhakts and Odiyas across the world. The Lord is the greatest symbol of Odiya Asmita. Calling Mahaprabhu a bhakt of another human being is totally condemnable. I strongly denounce the statement made by the BJP Puri Lok Sabha candidate, and I appeal to the BJP to keep the Lord above any political discourse. Oh, by this you have deeply hurt Odiya Asmita, and this will be remembered and condemned by people of Odisha for a very long time. He generally doesn't speak, but here he's picked it up. Picking up on his tweet, we have Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal, one would argue, has a lot of other things to talk about perhaps, but he's picked this up. He says, I strongly condemn the statement of the BJP. They have started thinking that they are above God. This is the height of arrogance. Calling God Bhakt of Modi ji is an insult to God. Okay, fine. So Arvind Kejriwal has spoken. Now look who picks this up. It's Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi says, जब प्रधानमंत्री खुद को शहंशाह और दरबारी उन्हें भगवान समझने लगे तो मतलब साफ है कि पाप की लंका का पतन नजदीक है। करोड़ों लोगों को की आस्था को चोट पहुंचाने को अधिकार मुट्ठी भर भाजपा के लोगों को आखिर किसने दिया? ही आस्क्स। यह अहंकार ही उनके विनाश का कारण बन रहा है। सो राहुल Gandhi is outraged at the statement of Sambit Patra. Rahul Gandhi, by the way, has not spoken about the things that Udayanidhi Stalin and A. Raja have said about Sanatan Dharma. Much worse things, not a slip of tongue, very deliberate things, but he has picked up on this. Now a somewhat there, somewhat not there INDI member, TMC Shashi Panja says, Jai Jagannath Swami, and she has recited a shlok there. As a devotee, I am shocked beyond words about the BJP leader Sambit Patra's statement in connection with Lord Jagannath. Calling Prabhu a Bhakt of Modi has hurt sentiments of Prabhu's devotees. This is totally condemnable. So that Trinamool Congress, not just it here, Mahua Moitra as well. And so in this way, Pranish, you can see that a lot of people who generally don't talk or may have other things to answer about have picked this up in a big way.
Absolutely. In fact, Pranesh, what Ankit is trying to highlight is the selective outrage, conspicuous silence when anti-Sanatan statements were made. But today, despite clarification and apology coming in from Sambit Patra, the opposition feels this is nothing but arrogance.
Much worse has been said about Sanatan, and we have our set of graphics. These are things said by India Alliance leaders, and let's put that on the screen. We also have reactions of what was said, but let me read some of what was said. Ram Mandir looks bekar. This is Ram Gopal Yadav. Our candidate Shiva can defeat Ram. This is Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge himself. Our fight is against Shakti. Who can forget this? Rahul Gandhi said this. We are enemies of Lord Ram. A. Raja, the DMK MP. And look who takes the cake in this. Religion that promotes inequality is a disease. This is Priyank Kharge Jr., Karnataka minister. Just like dengue, mosquitoes, malaria or coronavirus needs to be eradicated, we have to eradicate Sanatan Dharma. Who was this? No prizes for guessing. This is Stalin Jr., Udayanidhi. But not a word of condemnation from the same people whose tweets that were read out by Ankit. Let's sample some of the comments.
சொல்லுகிற கடவுள் இந்த கடவுள் என்றால் இதுதான் ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம் என்றால் இதுதான் பாரத மாதாக்கு ஜி என்றால் அந்த ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராமனையும் பாரத மாதாவையும் ஒருபோதும் நாங்கள் ஏற்றுக்கொள்ள மாட்டோம். தமிழ்நாடு ஏற்றுக்கொள்ளாது. நீ வேணா சொல்லி பார். ராமனுக்கு எதிரி என்ன? ராமனுக்கு எதிரி? எனக்கு ராமாயணத்துல நம்பிக்கை இல்ல, ராமன் மீது நம்பிக்கை இல்ல. ஆனால் கதையை சொல்றேன். இதுதான் கம்பராமாயணம். அப்ப 4 பேரா அண்ணன் தம்பி பிறந்து ஒரு குறவரை, ஒரு வேட்டுவரை இன்னொரு சகோதரனாக, ஒரு குரங்கை இன்னொரு சகோதரனாக, இன்னொரு குரங்கை 6வது சகோதரனாக ஏற்றுக்கொண்ட ராமாயணத்துக்கு பேர் தான் மனித நல்லிணக்கம் என்று சொன்னால் நீ சொல்ற ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம் சி இடியட்.
हिंदू धर्म में शक्ति शब्द होता है. हम शक्ति से लड़ रहे हैं, एक शक्ति से लड़ रहे हैं. अब सवाल उठता है वो शक्ति क्या है? जैसे किसी ने यहां कहा राजा की आत्मा ईवीएम में है. सही है, सही है. राजा की आत्मा ईवीएम में है. हिंदुस्तान की हर संस्था में है, ईडी में है, सीबीआई में है, इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट में है.